guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some easy and delicious papas locas. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our potatoes. Here I already have my large potatoes nice and clean. And we're just going to poke them with the fork. So just make sure you poke them all around. Now we're just going to cover them with oil and season them with garlic salt, regular salt, and black pepper. And make sure that both sides are nice and coated. Okay, and once we have them, we can wrap them in foil. And as soon as they're wrapped, place them in a baking sheet and repeat with the rest of the potatoes. Okay, and once we have our potatoes, we're going to bake them at 400 degrees for about 1 hour or until our potatoes are nice and soft. Alright, so for my carne asada, I'm going to be making my own seasoning, and that's just by mixing all of the spices. As always, they're listed in the description box. Just mix them together. In here, I already have my steak cut into small little cubes. Just going to sprinkle it all over. Going to squeeze the juice of half an orange and sprinkle some oil. Now just make sure that everything is nice and coated. And here you can always cook a little piece of meat so you know if you need to adjust any of the spice. Okay, and along with that, I'm going to be adding a little onion and cilantro. Okay, and once we have our meat, we're just going to cover it and refrigerate it until it's time to cook it. Alright guys, and once our potatoes are done, now we can get ready to cook our meat. And I'm just going to return it back in the oven so like that my potatoes stay nice and hot while we cook the meat. Alright guys, so here I have my pan over medium-high heat. It's nice and hot. Now I'm going to be adding my meat and allow it to cook. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this step in batches so like that we grill the meat and not boil it. Okay, so after a couple minutes, our meat should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. As you can see, it is done. So now we're just going to remove it from the heat and repeat the same process with the rest of the meat. Alrighty, and once we have cooked our carne asada, now we can get ready to put our papas locas together. Alright guys, so once we have our potatoes and our carne asada, now we can get ready for the fun part, and that's putting our papas locas together. So I'm going to open up my potato, create like an X. And then using a kitchen towel or paper towels, just make sure that you squeeze them. That ends like that. And to that I'm going to be adding my butter, and that own heat is going to melt it. Just going to season with some salt and black pepper. And now begin to smash it out. Going to be topping it with some queso Oaxaca and medium cheddar cheese. And now I'm just going to place it back in the oven and allow that cheese to melt. Okay, and once done, we can top it with the carne asada. I'm going to drizzle some crema mexicana, some crema chipotle, topping it with some guacamole, some pico de gallo, and some queso fresco. Okay, and just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious. The hard part is just waiting for the potatoes, but let me tell you that this is honestly the best. Everybody loves it, so hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. This is honestly so good. The carne asada, so juicy, so flavorful. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make super easy and delicious papas locas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.